Hello everyone. What is life for you? Have you ever thought? Have you ever tried to find out the meaning of life for you? If you search in the search engines, you will get tons of meanings. But don't abide by those meanings and rules for yourself. Try to find out the meaning for you. For me, life is all about live in freedom eminently. Now, what does that mean? See, in day to day activities, in daily routines, we actually forget to live our life. We are trying to do a lot of work, we are trying to do a lot of activities just to fulfill our daily needs or what we feel our future would be. But let me tell you one thing, this is not going to build your future. If you want to build your future, you have to live your today. And if you want to live today, you have to feel free. And if you have to feel free, you need to find or you need to do the work which you feel you should do. For example, if you're doing something but you are literally not enjoying, will you feel, be happy with that, or will you feel free? No. You will be feeling bounded by these routines, these works. Every day you're doing the same thing again and again and again, and you doesn't feel you have freedom. So first meaning of life for me is to live in freedom eminently. That means in a day 100% of a day will be lived 90% in freedom, and 10% is bounded by the daily activities which we have to do, which we can't avoid. So I would like you to find your freedom in day to day activities so that 90% of the day you will be happy, which is going to build your future. Now I have one more meaning. Now this is going to make sure that you get the freedom you want. Now what does the second meaning of life tells me? For me, the second meaning is learn, intrigue, follow efficiently. Now what you have to learn? We will have lots of opportunities to learn while we are doing something or the other in a whole day. Even if you're working at home, even if you're a person who doesn't have job, the whole day is a learning for you, is a lesson given to you. But are you implementing on that lesson? Are you able to find out what lesson is given to you? For example, if you're a person who is looking after a job, who's looking for a job, is trying to go for interviews, you may not be selected, or you are selected but after lots of hurdles. Why it's happening? Have you ever thought? We simply say and write it off, oh, it's my bad luck, right? But luck is not good and luck is not bad. Luck is luck. Then why are you signifying luck as bad? Don't you think that you have to think over it? Now, what you have to do? You have to learn. At the end of the day, for example, by 6:30 you're free from all the interviews, you are free from all the work, you are taking a sip of tea. When you are sitting in that place, just think what the whole day went by, how it went by, and what it does it teach you. Okay, was there was something to laugh on? Was there was something at that point of time you might be angry, but now when you realize, or now when you think about it, you feel happy, or there's a small simple laugh or smile on your face. So might be that situation has come over to you to tell you, smile, let it go, don't take harsh on yourself, don't make yourself be responsible for that thing. When you say that it was my bad luck, you are cursing yourself that it is my bad luck. Okay, please be sure, luck is not bad and luck is not good. Luck is luck. You have to take luck as luck. When you start giving the importance to luck, luck will show you the importance of your life to you. That is learning. Now, if you didn't understand this sentence, I will suggest you to listen to it 2 to 3 times and try to figure out what I want to say. Now, the next part of this meaning is intrigue. Now, what is intrigue? Curiosity. You need to develop that curiosity in you. Now, once you are learning, did you see a child ever writing or learning? Some kids are like that. They have learned something and they will be trying to use it for around 1 week, 2 week. Why? Because they are curious. They are curious. They have that intention, oh, I have to see what else. Okay, you have to develop that something which you learn. Can you be curious about it? Can you learn more about it? Is there something else to be learned? You need to figure it out. Even in a job interview where you lost the job, just find out there's something is there which you have to learn. Once you learn it, that portion of your life where you're not getting the interview done, where you're not passing the interview, will be over, and you will start realizing that opportunities are coming your way. Now, once you realize that what you had to learn, you have to follow that step. Suppose I realize that I need to read this, and unless and until I read this, I'm not going to pass this interview, then you have to follow that. Or else you came to know that you need to go by a route daily, because there are more and more companies, and who knows that a company instantly open the job offers. If you have to do it, just go by, do it. That is follow. And efficiently, that is keeping a discipline. I'm not telling you to do every day, because that can be tiring, right? But keeping that mindset, yes, I will have an opportunity on that route. I will have an opportunity if I go by that way. Keeping that efficient look, keeping that discipline on stack, keeping them that yes, we have to do it at any cost, just go by. Do it. So when you implement these features, learning, intrigue, follow efficiently, you will see automatically that you are living in freedom. Even though you doesn't have a job in hand, you will feel free. Even though money is not coming by instantly, you will feel free. And when you start feeling free, the miracles happen, and start believing in miracles. Start believing in miracles. Life is a miracle. Just think how you were born, how you were grown up, and now you are on this stage. How did you reach up to this? That's a miracle. Magic lies in each and every time around you, in you, but you have to capture it. Once you capture, you will be in free, you will be living free, you will have freedom of choices, you will be have freedom of whatever you want to do. I hope today's topic may have raised a curiosity in you to learn about your life. Learn it and tell me in the comment section. Bye.